Okay, you guys, I ordered some stuff from Wildflowers. I feel like this is the first time I've ever ordered anything from them, so I'm pretty excited. I heard a whole bunch of good things about their stuff, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. I got their scrubby brush and I got some of their inks. I also got, what else did I get? Some of their paints. I got some foil gel, which I'm really super excited about. I got their base and their top coat, and I also got some of these art paints and some stiletto tips. So we're going to get right into this haul, you guys. I'm so super excited about it. Sorry if I'm extra, but like I said, never ordered anything from this company, and I'm so happy to try everything out. So as you guys can see here, this is the box of the stiletto nails. It comes with 500 tips, and this makes my life so much easier when it comes to me doing my personal nails. You guys know that I change it up every week. I have been using them. I'm currently wearing them in this video. So yeah, they're really good, really sturdy. The base of them is flimsy, like as you guys can see here, but the tips of it is pretty sturdy. Like I don't notice them bending or anything like that, because in my last set I did keep them full length and I didn't notice them bending or doing anything weird, doing anything that I didn't want it to do. So I would recommend their tips, and especially if you like stiletto nails like myself. Like this was so quick, you guys. You can just glue, paint, and you're done, and they come off super easy, or you can keep them on for a longer time, just depending on what you guys are looking for. And next thing that I picked up in this haul is the base and the top coat. So I just got the sample base and top coat because I didn't know if I was going to like it, if I wasn't going to like it. So they sent me this glitter, and it was really beautiful. Like, look at that. It's like a hollow pink glitter. It's really pretty. Cool pink. Very beautiful. I was really happy to receive that. And then it just came with like a little business card, and then the base and the top coat. You guys will see that here. I'm not sure what the mLs is on this, but I know that it's their sample size. It's not their full bottles, as you guys can see there. They say sample on them. So it's their base and their top coat. I'm really excited to try these out. So far so good, but I haven't used them to know like the longevity of them. So I will definitely check back in with you guys on that. And the foil gel, oh my gosh, you guys know how excited I am for foil gel. Okay, I need something that's actually going to work for me. So I don't know if this works currently or not, but we're going to do a little demo portion at the end of this video, so I can show you guys if it works up to my standards, or how is it worth the money, because their stuff is kind of on a pricey side. I mean, I like spending money on nail stuff, but I'm like, yeah, they're pretty pricey. And as you guys can see here, there's a difference between the full size and the sample size bottles. But yeah, I want to see if this bad boy works, see if it's worth the money. And yeah, so we're going to move right along into like kind of like showcasing everything that I received in this haul. So right now this is the scrub brush. I think it's called their scrubby brush. So you can use this brush to apply glitters on your nails, or you can use it to apply pigments, anything like that. So I'm really super excited to have this, and it's pretty dense. Like I like the brush. Like it seems like it will do its job properly. So that's good news. And it's a pretty heavy brush. Like it was pretty solid. Like I liked it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that if that's something you guys are wanting. So now we're going to get into the art paints. Oh my gosh. Okay, I may be a little bit extra, but I'm so super excited about their art paints. This is the reason why I even got anything else in this haul, because I really want to get better with my one-step painting. I mean one stroke. I said one step. With my one-stroke painting. So I definitely wanted to try out their art paints, because I heard that it has an awesome consistency. It didn't like dry and crack on you like the acrylic paints, which is very true after me using this. And you get 10 colors, and they come in these little bottles, and they're so cute, and they really do work, and a little goes a long way, you guys. Like, I feel like you will have these art paints for a really long time. Like, there's no way I'm going to use all of them unless one of them spilled or something crazy happened. So right now I'm just showcasing all of the colors that came with this art paint kit. And they have a puffy paint kit too, so I think those have different colors in there. And I don't know if you can buy these separately. I think you can buy the black and the white separately, but you can't buy the colors separately. So if you're wanting the set, you have to, if you're wanting a particular color, you have to buy the whole set. But I tell you what, guys, it's so worth it if you love hand painting stuff. Like, and there's the nozzle. So this is what it looks like with the cap off. It's really fine, really awesome, and I feel like you can literally do just a dab of like paint if that's all you're needing. It's so perfect and so practical. I love their packaging and their bottles and stuff because it helps you not be so wasteful. And so the art paint designs, so this is what I came up with, you guys. Don't make fun of me for my one stroke painting. I don't know how to do it yet, okay? I'm getting there, so don't come for me. But I'm definitely learning, trying. It's not the best, but I feel like I'm definitely going to get there. I try to do some like designs and like try to make it a little bit more intricate, so that's what I was showcasing to you guys. But yeah, I think it's cool, but it's definitely not what I want for one stroke, so I'm going to keep practicing at it, and then maybe I'll do a video for you guys. So now we're moving on to the ink kits, and you guys, I'm so excited about the ink kits. I think I got like 1 and maybe 3. I don't know which ones they are, to be honest. But if you go on the website, they come in a kit, and it's really easy to decipher which one is which. And there's 3 kits altogether, but I only purchased 2, as you guys can see here. And they are so cool. Like, I really never worked with ink kits before, or just like any alcohol inks or anything like that, so I was pleasantly surprised. I think that the marble that it does is like, it's different, you know. It's really cool. Like, I'm definitely having fun utilizing and practicing with these ink kits. I think my customers would definitely like them. They would think that it's like super cool to have like a marble design or something like that on their nails with it. So super excited to have those. And now I'm going to show you guys just a little demo of me trying to use them. So maybe I should have did this on a shiny nail. You guys let me know which one works better for you guys. I didn't try it with the shiny nail. I've only tried it with the matte top coat on the nail. So it didn't really blend as much as I would like it to blend, but I think that's because of how I'm using it. And literally, this is my first time you guys seeing on the camera me ever using the product. I didn't really read about it, so this is what I got. And I think it looks really good. I just think that I can definitely get a little bit better with my technique at it so that it's flawless, you know. Like, it's really, I've seen some girls make really amazing sets with these like ink kits or just alcohol inks in general, so I know the potential up there. I just have to know how to execute it. So this is me taking my micro detailer brush. It does have some alcohol on it. I probably shouldn't have used that brush because I feel like I ruined it putting so much alcohol on it. But this is what I came up with. I think it's cool, it's beautiful, it's different. I love it. I like the marble. And now to the foil gel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys, not to be extra, but I love this foil gel. It does exactly what I wanted my Born Pretty foil gel to do. I just wanted to cure it in the lamp and then put the foil on there and then have it stick to it. That's all I'm asking for. I feel like I wasn't asking for a lot. So this is me applying the foil gel. As you guys can see, I'm going to cure it in the light for 30 seconds. And after I cure it in the light for 30 seconds, I'm just going to apply some foil on there, rub it down, you know, make sure that all the edges is where it needs to be at. And it works so perfectly. Like, I'm so happy with the results. I think it's worth every bit of the money. Just because I didn't have to fight with anything, it worked like a charm. Like, look at that. So beautiful. Such a beautiful nail. Oh my gosh. I was so happy in that moment. Like, if you guys could hear me on the video, I was like, oh my gosh, it actually worked. I was so super excited. So if you guys enjoyed this haul, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think of it. If you guys have some of these items that I currently have, let me know how you're liking them. Let me know what you guys are doing currently with them. If you guys want to tag me with your sets that you come up with the stuff on, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys' sets that you came up with using some of these products, or just any of your sets. I really want to connect with you guys and see your work. Not to judge you. I'm not a judger person, so never to judge. I just want to be able to support and help you guys. I mean, be that support that you guys are to me. I hope that makes sense. So let me know if you guys will be picking up anything in this haul. Let me know if you guys have any of this stuff. Let me know what you think about it. Definitely comment down below and let me know what you guys' thoughts are. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.